Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We have a socket here that is burnt out. Can you see it there? Now this is going to double as a light and more glasses. I got my glasses. Anyway, we've got the screws. If you can see it, I think maybe you can. You can see it's all rusted away and rounded off. So we have two options here. I'm managing to get this one out using a pair of pliers. Just grab it around the outside. The other side here, I may have to smash the socket. I haven't tried gripping it yet, but if I can't, which it doesn't look like I'm going to have to smash the socket and then take it out there. This is our new one we're going to be fitting in. Son of a... This is our new one that we're going to be fitting on. You can see on, off. On here, it's not switching off. Anyway, we're going to take these out and then I'll get back to you, showing you how explaining how I get that one. I've got that one out. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back again. The screw that I got out of it, you can see it's not the right screw. Also, if you look at the lengths of them, they're two completely different length screws. So I'm not sure what I'm going to find when I get behind this socket. But anyway, what I've done, I've got my screwdriver, got it just in the corner there, and I hit it with my pliers. Just use my pliers as a hammer. Just tap it right there and it managed to come out. So use my pliers, turned it that up a little bit, and there it is out. Now, the reason I have thinking here, but then again that doesn't explain it, is if you're we can see inside here just about. This looks like it's going to be a bit of a nightmare. So I've got to get this out. It's not coming out far enough for me to see where the connectors are in order to connect it properly. But I'm gonna see what I can do and then I'll get back to you. See you in a minute. Okay, I can see a little better now. Got myself some glasses. Right now, the screws that I was saying to you and explaining to you before, is because if I look behind there, can you see the wood? That side and that side is screwed into the wood. It hasn't got a box like these normally screw on. This is why. Our cable seems a bit tight. There's our red for live. Hang on, let me stop and turn the flash on. 1 second. Oh, I don't have to stop. Just turn it on there. Okay. There you can see that wire there looks all green corroded. Is it green? There's our live, our red. Yeah. To clean these off to make sure. But first, I should have said from the beginning, turn your power off. Okay, so these will have to be replaced. We'll have to find some screws that can replace those with, because these are not wood screws. They're not going to go into the wood. But we're going to switch and try and get some slack on here and see what's connected to what. Okay, see you again in a minute. Right, after having a closer look, I can see under the bottom there, this has got wet. See that? All corroded and corrosion. So maybe when you're cleaning the floor, water is getting into here. That's the only explanation for that one. Alright, so let's get our wires out and see where they go. Let's see our connection on the back of here first. Yeah, same thing. Red, blue, green and yellow. Green and yellow. Right, let's see if we can show you what this is all about. Middle one is earth, which is green and yellow. Sorry. Red is live, green and yellow is earth, and blue is neutral. Okay? So that sits on there just like that. And the wire connectors look like they go exactly where they came from. So let's see if we can get this done quick as possible and get it out of the way. See you in a minute. Okay, this is where we're at. As you can see, we've cleaned up our wires. We've twisted them with our pliers, make sure that they're on, and we've folded over the ends. So I've connected that one already. I'm just gonna where I've unscrewed the inside there, just gonna put the wires in place and tighten them down and make sure they're tight. Okay, see you again in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. As you can see, the wire is very tight, but it's all tightened in there very securely. So all we got to do now is find a couple of screws and screw that back onto there, just like that. Okay, so again from Tradespeople's Tips. What's that? See that nail or something there? Just juke me. Yeah. What is it? You know, that looks like the lens pull out the glasses. Oh my god, this is a comedy, isn't it? I've got to shut one eye. Oh mate. People, listen. If you're out there robbing people, stop doing it, yeah? So from Tradespeople's Tip, we're just gonna stick 2 screws in there, screw it back to the wall. We'll see you later. Okay? Later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. There it is, all done, dusted. We've managed to find 2 screws and put them in there. Switch on, off. That works perfectly. There's our old switch. You can see on the back of it there where it's burnt, just there. That's why it wasn't working, and all the rust, and it must have got wet, or it can't be condensation, it just got wet. Okay, and that shorted it out and kept shortening it out and blowing things. So once again from Tradespeople's Tips, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay, see ya.